This is from the company Kalliber, I think's what that is, Precision Beyond Vision. It's a handheld thermal imaging camera. Just going over the box here, it's a 160 by 120 pixel infrared camera, 2.8-inch display screen. It goes from -4 to 1022 Fahrenheit. So that's a wide range of, temperature right there. That's -20 to 550 Celsius measuring range. You get a zoom level 1 through 4. 15-hour battery life. You can kind of see some of the things right here. This is basically blah, blah, blah. Battery capacity is 5,000 milliamp battery. And it didn't take me long to charge this thing. I put it on charge and charged it up, put it back in the box for the purpose of this video. And I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing for y'all. If you wanna put it on your hip, so if you're working and you just wanna kind of keep it with you while you're working, you get a shoulder strap and a belt loop on a holster. Got a little set of instructions, but I already went over those instructions. This right here is kind of like some different plugs. So I'll show you right here. Let's just open it up. They give you a wide variety of plugs, but you know what? I use the 110 plug. That's the one I use. So just so you know, I'll show you how it works. It's pretty simple. I've used these things before, just like that. So I got it locked into place. You can see, you can unlock it, but that's all it really is. And these are different ones. Nice looking unit. Look how nice that looks. That looks like a premium. You show up on a job site with something like this. Well, anyway, they'll think I know what I'm doing when I show up with something like that. This right here, I think is just a USB-C braided cable. Very good quality cable. I like it when I see a good quality cable. Well, that's everything to it right there. Let me just show you some basic functions, and then I'll take it. I think I got a little fire going. We'll see what it actually does on the fire. Hold it down for a few seconds. The power button is right there, and you see it comes up. Very nice colored display. It's instantly working. Y'all see that? That is my hand. Now, where this little dot is exactly where it's taking temperature. So watch this. So right there, it's taking temperature of the actual table, and you see it says center 70.5. Then I put my hand in front of it, instantly jumps to 92.8. So that does mean that I am a living being. You can see that, 93, 94. This is my hand. The back of my hand's actually cooler than, look at the palms. So my palms are hotter than the back of my hand right there. Looking at the side of this. Let's take it out here. Let's use it on a fire, and let's see what it looks like while I'm actually scanning a fire, and we'll see what the temperature can really go up to. Okay, so I got my little fire pit going right here. What is the temperature right there in the middle? 311 degrees, and y'all see how it looks? Let me show you that. Look at that. It almost looks like a Doppler radar. Over here is 101, 104. Once again, that's 236 on that corner. Now you see this trigger right here? This trigger will actually take a picture. It just took a picture of that. And then it's gonna ask me to save it. Now, this is not touchscreen. I'll hit this little button in the middle, touchscreen. See how that works? Pretty simple on that. If I wanna go back and look at my pictures, just hit that play button. There's a back button. Now, if I go down on this, it turns to this different type of look. This is that different types of modes of the camera. I don't know how well you can see that, but you can see the stump right there. Notice how that stump is catching heat right here. It is, wow, that's a lot warmer. That is 95 degrees right there. And then over here, we're like 76 degrees over here. And then if I want to zoom, the zoom feature's right there 2 times. You can see right here if I want to zoom in on that, 4, and then back. This will be great for anyone that's doing inspections on an engine or any type of electrical. You could definitely find a bad circuit breaker, going over your circuit breakers and find one that's getting hot. Something that I don't want to touch with my hands, but I could use this. Let's take it inside. Let me use it on a little air conditioner unit and see how it does with cold temperature, because we know it works with hot temperature. So let's check out the cold. 63 degrees right here, but let's check it. Let's see what's coming out of here. Look at how cool this thing looks. So you could see right here are the actual output vents. So what I'm gonna do is try to show y'all exactly what this thing's running at. It looks like it's at 32 degrees of air coming out of here. Look at the difference between here and down there. Down there is 61, up there is 32 degrees. And then what I can do, I can check my windows. Look at how I can check my windows, that you could use it for finding hot and cold spots on your windows, whether it's your door, window, or something like that, or an air conditioner. I can tell you how cool the air conditioner is going. 29 degrees on an air conditioner is very impressive, everybody. And that's right next to it. Obviously, that's right up here. This temperature gauge is temperature in the room. It's on an Eco where it shuts off. This is this TCL air conditioner. Very good window unit for a basic small room. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Kalliber, ViewPro thermal imaging scanner. See you on the next video.